This project is the perfect example of what is it the perfect example of?
Hey guys. Fucking hey. All right, this is it. From the front of the house, because the grade drops off, we brought the train.
First and foremost, we want it to feel like it's part of the house. With this couple, they wanted a modern flair to it. All right, start over. Come on, don't do the sign thing. This was quick. But the couple wanted a modern flair to it. So, all right, so where am I going with this? Gave it that modern feel. If you guys enjoyed these, oh, wait, I left the part out, man. Delicate balance to give it that modern twist. Oh, man, what did I say? But I'm mixing it up too much, dude.
Got this beautiful slat wall that we created behind the
Yeah. I'll cut this up so you say what I want you to say.
If you like what you see here, don't forget to follow us, press that like button. Like button, follow along, share, subscribe.
He's like all the buttons.
I really want to go and subscribe. Thank you for taking the time to watch.
Dude.
I'm Sean. This is Deck Remodelers. Welcome to, no. All right, What? I want them to get a little bit of kind of edge to it. You've joined a team of national award-winning professionals, the entire country, in the entire of the elite top deck designers in the entire country, and all in North. No. All right, we do the entire backyard experience, and the team that you've joined is way better than any other motherfuckers in the entire whole fucking country.
I was too excited, right? More calm?
Yeah.
I have to leave the gate open.
You have to leave the gate open.
Where am I walking? Look how everything flows. I don't like that, man. It's weird. Yep. I'm supposed to walk, right?
What's that?
All right, you ready? Did you want the pool more in that shot? And just steps away, we have this gorgeous covered, smell that real burning wood smell. I don't even know what I just said, but it was perfect. All right. The guest. He's still in the window. Gas fireplace is great and all, but sometimes you gotta I was gonna say the main problem they came to me with was that the deck space always felt separate. Do you have a piece of gum? And they can really enjoy it. Everyone.
So the deer, we have the deer. I mean, this one's not gonna have a deer in it. Actually, I want to do that again because that sucked.
Yep.
You better not have that in a blooper reel. Do you really?
I'm rolling.
What the hell, man? Okay, I know we're deck remodelers, but we know when to add a raised patio, and this was the perfect.
Oh, that was so good.
I think I'm losing it, man. Okay, if you guys enjoyed these design tips, make sure to watch our other videos and definitely give us a follow. All right, but you said something better.
You're going rogue.
Hey guys, I hope you really enjoyed designing. So,
what did I say the first time, man? Can you replay that? What was the last part? Is that good? Okay. Take a breath. I hope you're just balancing. Okay, and not like, I hate this guy. I'm drawing a blank, man. I feel like we nailed it on this one. We definitely killed it. We did a great job. The team, I want to thank everyone. I want to thank the crews that were out here. I want to thank the designer that designed this. Okay, keep going. You ready? All right. That's going to be on the blooper reel.
like, follow, you know, all that shit.